Okay, guys, we are now riding the subway train back to terminals D and E. Yep. Thankfully, this is going to be fast because my phone battery is almost low. Yep. Yes, I did charge my phone prior to me getting on the train. Yep, we are going fast. Man, isn't this train ride like so awesome? Especially since we're going fast right now. That is definitely what's up. And there's an elevator up here too, which that goes to the Terminal C purple parking garage. And now we're here, and now we're just about arriving in terminals D and E. Yep, we're going so fast. Really, really, really fast right now. In fact, and oh my gosh. Alright, so now I'm going to get up now that we're here. And this train also feels like a roller coaster too, doesn't it? Yes, and it's also like a roller coaster too because of all the turns it makes, especially since when we turned right into here. Yeah, and like I also stated, this train goes around in a circle to all the terminals, including the Marriott Hotel.
Oh, okay.
Yep. I'll let you guys get out first.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're very welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I got the door for you. You're welcome. Have a great day. Okay, I'm gonna stop my video here for now because my phone's gonna die.